Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is that time to cook. Today I am making a delicious pasta dish called Bang Bang Chicken Pasta. Yeah, that's right, Bang Bang Chicken. Now, it gets its name from a bang bang sauce, and if you do not know what that is, it is an Asian sauce that combines a sweet chili sauce and mayonnaise. A lot of times you will see it used for a dipping sauce, but you can also see it sometimes like coating fried shrimp or fried chicken. It is so delicious. It's sweet and spicy and savory. Now this dish is what you call a fusion because it combines the bang bang sauce with pasta. Now that may seem like an odd combination, but believe me, this is so delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you guys. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you will need 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and this is 3 green onions that I have chopped, some salt and pepper, some olive oil, and then you'll also need around a pound of pasta. Now this is rotini, but you could also use penne, or you could even use spaghetti if you wanted. Now to make your bang bang sauce, you will need 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of a sweet chili sauce, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, I like to cut my chicken into chunks before I fry it. I just find it easier, but you can fry up your chicken first and then cut it into pieces after the fact if that's what you want to do. All right, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this chicken with some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to give it a toss. All right, I'm going to add some olive oil to my large cast iron skillet. And then I'm going to add my chicken. And I'm just going to let this cook until it's completely done. All right, so while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to cook my pasta. So I have a pot of boiling water over here that I have salted, and I'm going to add my pasta. All right, so to a mixing bowl, I'm going to combine the bang bang sauce ingredients. So that's my 1 cup of sour cream and my 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, my sweet chili sauce, and my soy sauce. I'm just going to mix this all together. What a gorgeous color. It's a beautiful orangey color. All right, so my chicken is done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove it from the skillet and place it onto a plate. So now the magic is about to happen. I'm going to take my 4 tablespoons of butter, which is 1/2 of a stick, and place in my skillet. So I'm going to let this butter melt. And I'm kind of scraping up all the little chicken pieces on the bottom. That just adds to the flavor. Then I'm going to pour in this sauce. And I'm just going to keep whisking until the sauce is nice and hot all the way through. Then I'm going to add the chicken back in. And then I'm going to add the pasta. And then finally, I'm going to add the green onion. Delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. So this little girl right here has been making it a little bit of a challenge for me in the kitchen as far as filming. She definitely wants my attention. So if you hear some noises in the background, this is what you're hearing. Little Bella. Yeah.